people enter crypto with the exact same thought. Alt season is coming. This is my chance. They open charts as they watch Twitter. They hear stories about massive gains. And then the same thing happens every cycle. 90% of people lose money during alt season. Not because crypto is a scam, not because the market is broken, but because they enter at the wrong time and exit with no plan. Today, I'll explain why most people fail during alt season and what the top 10% do differently. If you're new to crypto, this video can save you years. If you've been here before, you'll recognize the mistakes. Part 1, the biggest alt season myth. The most dangerous belief in crypto sounds like this. When alt season starts, everyone makes money. That's not true. Alt season is not free money. Alt season is capital redistribution. For every person who makes big gains, someone else buys too late and sells too early. Usually it's the same person. Part 2, what the 90% actually do. Here's the typical pattern. A new investor enters crypto. Bitcoin already pumped. Altcoins are up 200 to 300%. Headlines say this is just the beginning, so they buy what's already popular because it's safe. Everyone is talking about it. It already went up, so it must go higher. And this is where the first mistake happens. Mistake number 1, buying what already exploded. Markets don't work that way. Assets that already pumped, become heavy, need much more money to move, slow down dramatically. But this is exactly when retail enters. Then, price stops rising. Consolidation begins first. Pullbacks appear, and people think, maybe I entered too early. No, they entered too late. Part 3, how money actually flows in crypto. Money doesn't appear from nowhere. It rotates. First, Bitcoin, then Ethereum and large caps, then mid caps, then small caps and hype. And where do most people buy? At the end of that rotation, right where smart money is already taking profits. Mistake number 2, no exit plan. Most people don't know why they bought, don't know where they'll sell, don't know what they'll do if price drops. They react emotionally. Price up arrow excitement, price down arrow fear, sideways arrow boredom. This is emotional trading, and emotional trading always ends the same way. Part 4, how the top 10% think people who make money during alt season don't think like traders. They think like capital managers. They ask different questions. What phase of the cycle are we in? Where will attention go next? Which projects haven't had their first real alt season yet? Where is risk justified by upside? They position before hype, not during it. Part 5, the first alt season rule. This rule matters more than anything else. The biggest gains happen during a project's first alt season. Solana in 2021, first major cycle, massive skepticism, technical issues, and still delivered approximately 40 times in later cycles. Risk was lower, confidence was higher, but gains were much smaller. That's not luck. That's market structure. Part 6, why most people never hold big winners, even when price goes 2 times, 3 times, 5 times. Most people don't take profits, wait for just a little more. Believe growth is unlimited. Then, sharp correction, panic, selling near entry. The opportunity was real. The psychology destroyed it. The core message, if you remember only one thing from this video, let it be this. Alt season rewards preparation, not prediction. It's not about guessing the next coin. It's about timing, structure, and risk management. That's what separates winners from the crowd. In the next videos, we'll break down how to build a crypto portfolio in 2026, which projects could be early like Solana once was, and when to buy, and more importantly, when to sell. If you want to think ahead of the market instead of chasing it, subscribe to the channel and watch the next episode.